So I took the engine off the mower. Here it is with headless. I cleaned it all up with brushes. Looks a hell of a lot better now. Still full of oil. I forgot to drain it, but oh well. Head is right here. Good shape. And I found out why gas sprays out of the exhaust hole whenever you pull it. The needle is missing in the carburetor. There's no needle right there. It's supposed to be one. That's why gas is going straight to the engine and it's shooting out the exhaust. And the carburetor is all chewed up and fucked up right there. I don't know if I'll be able to save this carburetor, but anyways, I'll try. I unseized the throttle on it, and it needs a new gas line and a carburetor kit for all the gaskets and stuff like that. The bowl is all right, just still a little dirty. Needs a new muffler. Want pepper on that? And that's about it. So hopefully I can get this thing running by the end of a few weeks there.